7 reasons why you should start a career in digital marketing in 2023. This is 2023 and nobody should be stuck in a career or a job he or she does not like. Those eras are gone. Today you can make a change, you can make a switch. If you don't like what you are doing, you can change. Technology has made that possible. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Emmanuel here, and as always I'm excited to have you back on the other end of the screen. I'm excited because you are there, I'm here, and we're having a nice time together, right? If you are stuck, right, this is January and this is a good time to make a quick decision, right? If you are stuck in something, or you want to make a switch, you want to change career, you want to start something, you are thinking of how to leverage on this technology thing, you have been hearing online, this, that, but you don't know what to do. Just stay with me so that I let you know the potentials of digital marketing. Are you here to subscribe to the channel? Go ahead, click on that subscribe button, and of course, remember to like and share the video, and come back every day, because every single day will give you fresh content. All right, let's go straight into the topic of today. Number 1 reason why you should consider starting a career in digital marketing is number 1 is digital marketing is in high demand globally, right? This skill is a skill that every single business needs, every single individual needs. How do I mean? Businesses come up to serve customers, right? They want to sell more, and today the traditional way is no longer helping most business. Most business now understand that they need to go online, they need to sell, they need to advertise, they need to promote their businesses, but they don't know how to do it. They need people to help them do it. That is where the digital marketer comes in. And inside the umbrella of digital marketing, there's a whole lot that can be done. There's a social media manager, there's somebody handling the email, there's somebody running the advert, there's somebody doing the search engine, there's somebody managing the website. All these things are inside digital marketing. And if you come in, you can specialize in one, or you can even do 2 or 3. So it is in high demand globally because every single business needs one. Even influencers need digital marketers to help them handle things, and you are that person. So this is the reason, number 1 reason. Number 2 is that there is high earning potential. What do I mean? You're going to earn a lot of money. So if you have money problem, right, digital marketing can solve your money problem, because by the time you acquire the skill, you can now begin to help businesses solve the problem of either they are running advert online, either they are building website, either they are creating their social media handle and managing the content and all that, or doing what I'm doing now, like creating this kind of video. Some businesses need people to help them do this and be able to take this video online, promote it, and make sure that it brings the kind of audience they are looking for. There's a whole lot inside. The earning potential is very high. You can earn a lot of. In fact, in digital marketing, you determine your earning. It's not one of those jobs you say, oh, this is the amount. You can actually, if you are a freelance, you can determine how much you want to earn every single month. And if you are working a job, there's an entry level, right? There's an entry level, and globally, it is high. It is up to, in countries like US, up to $74,000 you can earn. In countries like Nigeria, where I'm making this video, you can earn up to 250 to 300,000 naira every single month working as a digital marketer. It's huge, right? So the earning potential is huge. Number 3 is there's a lot of flexibility. You can work from the comfort of anywhere, whether your bedroom or your garden or a beach. Maybe you live in Lagos, you decide you want to work from the beach, right? Just take your laptop and your internet connection. That's the only thing you need. So the flexibility is huge. So if you are somebody who don't like going to work, going to the office every single day, digital marketing is the job for you. So you can stay from the comfort of anywhere. So long your laptop is on, your internet is on, you can deliver the task. And you serve global audience. All right? So it's flexible. I know some people say, oh, Emmanuel, I just want something that, I can stay in my house and make some money. That's digital marketing. All right, number 4 is it is easy to learn. Easy to learn, I mean that anybody can learn digital marketing. It's not technical. It's not something that requires any technical anything, right? No matter what you studied in school, you can learn it. In fact, if you can type, if you can use your computer, you can learn digital marketing. So it's very easy, and you can learn it in under 6 weeks. In about 6 weeks, you're already solving problems and earning money for yourself. So that's how beautiful digital marketing is. All right. And number 5, career advancement. Your present career, you can switch, or you can add this skill to what you already have and make yourself more valuable. Are you a salesperson? You need digital marketing. Maybe you're an accountant, and in your office, your work is just maybe a few hours of the day. The remaining hours, you're not doing anything. Why not come and get digital marketing knowledge so that you can add more value to your organization and get promotion and get advancement in your career? All right. So the career advancement is there. Number 6 now. Yes, number 6. You can earn foreign exchange. That's, you can earn money from other parts of the world. You can sit in Africa and earn US dollars and earn pounds, working from the comfort of your home, and that money delivered to you in your bank. How about that? If you change it to your currency, you know how it will look like. For instance, now in Nigeria, a dollar is about 7 something. Imagine earning $1,000 every other month in Nigeria. That's a huge money, right? So you earn foreign exchange. Number 7 now, final one is self-fulfillment. Digital marketing can give you a lot of fulfillment. How? Because you are doing something you love, because you are solving problems, and you are doing it in a flexible way, right? You are doing it at the comfort of wherever you feel, and you are earning money to pursue your dreams or to do other things you like. You're going to get a lot of fulfillment, and that's what every human being craves for. Everybody craves for fulfillment. It's not just about there's people that earn a lot of money, but they don't have time to spend the money. I know bankers who go to work by 5 a.m. they leave their house, they come back around 10 every day, and they do that from Monday to Saturday. I mean, you earn a lot of money, but you don't have time to spend the money. That's punishment, right? Digital marketing gives you the flexibility, gives you the income, and gives you the fulfillment, to enjoy life. So if you are thinking of learning digital marketing and you live around Nigeria and you stay around Abuja, the capital city, you can come into our academy. I'll leave the address in the description and some phone numbers you can call. In about 6 weeks, we can take you by the hand from zero to professional. All right? And that is very, very important. And again, announcing to our global audience, before the end of the year, we'll have a platform, an online platform, where you can learn almost any digital skills you can think about, and from the comfort of anywhere, and of course in practical terms. We'll keep you posted on that as the matter unfolds. Alright guys, so if you've gotten value from the video, remember that if you are not subscribed yet, why not? Just click on the subscribe button, and remember to like, share the video, and come back tomorrow for more, because every single day we'll have a new video for you. And I will see you again tomorrow in the next video. Yeah.